How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Shooky from BT21, so let's get into it. Alright kids, to get started, we're going to draw a circle. So it's kind of more flatter, but not like a perfect circle. So we're going to start here, and then we're going to draw out, and then down a little bit, and then we're going to come here, and what we're going to do is we're going to come a little bit more flat on this side. So be flat, and then we're going to come all the way around. Come back up. You can probably connect it from here. Go all around. So it should have something that looks like this. And if it's a little bit off, it's okay. You can just make little corrections and it should be totally fine. So something like that, right? Now, Shooky's eyes, they're about right in the center, okay? Right about here. So we're gonna draw kind of a big circle like that, maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we're gonna draw another one right here. So you should have something that looks like that. And then now what we're gonna do is, he has like really cute eyebrows. This one just goes straight. Make it a little bit thicker if you want. Okay. And then Shooky has a really big eyebrow right up here. So I'm gonna start right about here. And then you wanna make it really, really thick like this. Okay. And then Shooky's mouth is probably about this wide. And the best way I can describe the mouth shape is like a happy face, or kind of like a watermelon. So I'm just gonna come across right about there. And then we're just gonna come down. And come back up. So kind of like a watermelon, right? And then Shooky has buck teeth, teeth right here. So just comes down, comes out, and then it comes back up. Okay? And then Shooky's legs, pretty simple. Just gonna come down and then come right back up. So right here, come down, and then come right back up. Same thing on this side. And come down, and then we'll come right back up. And then the arms are the same thing. Come out, and come right back down. Same thing on this side. And come out, and come back down. So that's Shooky. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed through the coloring so you guys can see how it turns out. And there you have it, Shooky from BT21. Thanks for watching. Take care. Until I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye.